Hello friends, welcome to Travel India channel. In today's video, we'll try to know about 10 most scenic road trips in India. Before proceeding, I would request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you could get such kind of videos as soon as they are released. So friends, a road trip is a perfect opportunity to beat the blues and get out of our monotonous city lives. There is nothing more adventurous and thrilling than a road trip with your windows down, thumping music, and a couple of old friends. India, with its extreme diversity and multitude of landscapes offers a humongous number of road trip options that will take you on a journey of self-reach, self-search, adventure and leisure. At a time when the pace of urbanization is rapid, a scenic road trip along the countryside gives an opportunity to witness the beauty India has to offer. Mumbai to Goa. Ever since Dil Chahta Hai released, this Mumbai to Goa trip has become the holy grail for friends. With the Western Ghats lined up on one side, this road trip turns out to be the most scenic and exotic one. There are two major routes for the journey. First one is along the 6-lane Mumbai Express Highway, after which we need to follow onto NH4 till Belgaum. Goa is a 3-hour drive from Belgaum hereafter. Though this route is faster, you will end up paying at numerous tolls. The other route has a really mesmerizing view with the paddy fields, coconut and nut plantations all along the route, and it takes 2 more hours to reach Goa, but the journey is worth of it. Only avoid this route if you have motion sickness since there are a lot of turns on the road. Best time to go from September to March. Srinagar to Jhanskar. Jhanskar Valley is one of the most amazing and beautiful valleys in Kargil district of Ladakh. The valley is just 239 km from Srinagar and you have to cross Zozila Pass to reach here. The valley is inaccessible in winters because of heavy snowfall and blocking of roads, so you plan on making a road trip here visit during the summers. With multiple curves and bends on the road alongside the snow-capped mountains, this journey will definitely be something that you will remember for a lifetime. However, if you plan on going for a famous Cheddar trek, you might have to come here in winter. The entire Jhanskar river bed is frozen and the trek is along the frozen river bed. It is one of the most exciting treks in India and the world. Best time to visit here from May to September. Kolkata to Digha. The quickest and most serene gateway from Kolkata that every resident knows is this beach destination. Digha is located just 184 kilometers from Kolkata. The entire route is lined up with verdant trees and mesmerizing landscapes that will make you stop at every mile to relish the beauty before moving forward. The journey takes approximately 4 hours via NH16 and NH116B. Don't worry as all your food related issues will be handled by the plethora of the dhabas lined up alongside the highways. The new Digha beach is not a place to dive into the water but rather just enjoy the shades of verdant trees along the beach. Old Digha beach is well constructed and you can dive in seawater here. If you want a secluded spot, visit the Shankarpur beach. The calmness and tranquility here will surely give you a refreshing energy boost. Best time to go is from October to February. Mumbai to Run of Kutch. The Great Run of Kutch is a large area of seasonal salt marshes that lies along the border of India and Pakistan, but mainly in India. This area has Thar Desert on one side and the Arabian Sea on the other side, which makes it home to vivid species. The road trip is truly magical experience and is done best in the parts so as to experience the beauty and richness on the surroundings. On the first day, Mumbai to Ahmedabad, which is almost 530 km, can be covered along the highways with ease, and the other day, Ahmedabad to Run of Kutch, which is 100 km, you can stay either at Dasda or Khadwa. Dasda is just 10 km from Run of Kutch and is a great spot to be explored. It has sanctuary and is home to the Asiatic wild ass, which makes it hub for the bird watchers. Best time to go is from November to February. Pondicherry, the Paris of East, is just 155 kilometers from the Chennai via the East Coast Road. The East Coast Road, NH32 and NH48 are the three routes you can take for this road trip, but the East Coast Road is the recommended one since it's shorter and more scenic. The picturesque view along the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal along the East Coast Road makes it an ideal route, and it takes hardly 3 to 4 hours to reach Pondicherry. This route also has several other sites that are worth visiting, such as the Alambara Fort, the Mahabalipuram, Mudalikuppam, and Kalpakkam, a center for nuclear facilities. This scenic route is a must visit for couples visiting Chennai. Best time to go is from October to March. Bangalore to Varkala. There are several routes to complete this 700-kilometer long journey from Bangalore to Varkala in the Thiruvananthapuram district of Kerala. It will be one of the tiring drive if you do not take break your journey in the parts. Bangalore to Kanakpura Road, Coimbatore route is one of the most scenic routes. This route is packed with mountains and coconut trees that tower over your car. You can turn towards the Palakkat Thrissur Cochin route after Coimbatore and thereafter reach Varkala next. The cliff town Varkala looks into the Arabian Sea and gives some stunning views of the vast blue ocean from the top. The golden sand beaches along the coast amps up the beauty of the scene. Best time to go is from November to January. Bangalore to Uti. Bangalore is surrounded by scenic location. You can either take a day's ride to the nearby wonders or you can encompass on a road trip to visit some far-flung exotic location. A road trip to Uti is one such journey that leaves nature lovers gushing for more. You will be driving along the Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu, lined with the eucalyptus trees. The road is full of hairpin bends and passes through the jungles of Geddai and Manjur. Lush green forest and mountains on both sides make your drive a soothing experience. On the way also lies the historic palaces of the ancient city of Mysore. The distance is 278 kilometers along NH 275, but is filled with the forest, cover, waterfalls, lakes, etc. And you won't even realize how the 6 hours journey will come to an end. Best time to go from October to June. Guwahati to Tawang. Unlike your Mumbai to Goa road trip that has a smooth 4-lane road, this journey of 509 kilometers will test your skills as a driver. But with the rewards for making this journey are also high. You will, you will be lost in a multiple location along the route, passing alongside rivers and majestic waterfalls. The journey can be covered in around 14 hours, and every second spent on this road is worth of it. The infinite beauty unfolding at every turn will make you stop and wonder in awe. You will have to add multiple stops to make this trip comfortable. You can either stop at Dirang in West Kemeng and witness the Buddhist culture at Kalchakra and Naing Mapa Monastery, or you can stop over at Tezpur in Assam and explore its cultural and historical attractions. Explore the untapped beauty of the snow-clad mountains amid lush greenery along the way. Best time to go from March to June or September to October. Manali to Leh. This is one road trip that can be considered as a Makkah of all road trips. Manali to Leh is a dream ride for every biker and is must do if you are a passionate biker and an avid nature lover. With some of the most exotic natural landscapes and breathtaking views of the nature's marvel, this route can be easily the best can be. While the road trip is beautiful one, it is as challenging as can get. Starting from Manali, you have to cross Rohtang Pass first. The weather here can change abruptly, reducing visibility to a very high extent. The distance is 478 km, and since the altitude is above 4000 meters, the journey should be broken into parts. A day should be spent at either Kelong or Serchu to acclimatize with the elevation. You will go through the most difficult route till Pang, but it is also the most beautiful with deadly twists and turns, the snow-capped mountains and distinct valleys. After Pang lies the Murray Plains, a plain stretch of spectacular landscape with the varied hues. There are several passes along the way such as Rohtang Pass, Barchala Pass, and they are closed during the winters. Leh is truly heaven on the earth and definitely a mesmerizing trip. The Golden Triangle, Delhi, Agra, Jaipur. Delhi, Agra and Jaipur together constitute a classical route called as Golden Triangle and is one of the most beautiful roads to drive in India. The three historical and culturally rich and diverse cities of Delhi, Agra and Jaipur are pinned to the vertices of triangle via a Yamuna Expressway and NH8. Unlike the explicitly natural routes, this one is little different and presents some distinct views such as historical heritages like forts, temples and palaces. The total distance is only 449 kilometers and can be completed in just 7 hours. But if you need to absorb all that route has to offer, it's advised to give a day or two to this trip, ranging from the historic sites in Delhi such as the Red Fort, Qutub Minar and the Lotus Temple to architectural and historical marvels of Agra like Taj Mahal and the Agra Fort, and to Jaipur. The Pink City is home of ancient Rajputana architecture in the form of Hawa Mahal and the Amer Fort. A little of the route, you can also visit Jaisalmer and Udaipur and get a first-hand experience of the cultural and spiritual insights of the people living in Rajasthan. Best time to go is from October to March. So friends, now you could know the 10 of the most scenic road trips in the India. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you friend. Please subscribe my channel for such kind of videos.